So it's 9 something in the morning, and today was supposed to be my day off, but I volunteered myself to go find the rest of our temperature and humidity loggers. So yeah, that's what I'm doing while everyone else hangs out at the house. It's a really nice day out, so it's not a big deal, but it's like, kind of sucks. I could be doing other things, but part of the reason that not all of these loggers got checked was because I forgot to do some, so I figured I wouldn't make everybody else do my work. But yeah, I have 2 transects to hike. I only have to go part of the way for each, but still a lot for a day off. Yeah. We still haven't finished our Hell Week round, so I'm really hoping that the weather stays nice, even if it's hot. Like, I just want to get this done with. But I don't know, it's supposed to rain Tuesday, so I'm not looking forward to it. But yeah, anyway, I'm hoping to have a nice leisurely walk in the forest and then go back and take a shower, work on other stuff, maybe relax a little. We'll see.